guys, it's your girl Shammy Chic, and today I'm back with another video. This time it's the unboxing of my away luggage. Yay! I feel like I'm totally adulting right now. Like when you buy like real luggage, like hard shell, expensive luggage, I feel like you're totally adulting. And I don't know if away luggage is gonna deliver my high expectation and standards, but we're gonna see today. So tune in, I'm gonna unbox it straight from the packaging and just bear with me because it's my first time. Anyway, follow my blog, Falling Forward in Faith, and continue watching. Actually, hubby and I are flying out to San Francisco next week on Thanksgiving Day.
We're gonna spend a couple days in San Francisco, then we're gonna go to Hong Kong, and then from there we're gonna go to Singapore, and then to Thailand, and then back to Singapore, and then back home to Omaha.
It's literally gonna be like 10 flights, and I really do not want to lug my luggage, like my duffel bag without wheels anymore. I'm not trying to live that life anymore. Like I'm gonna go full-fledged and get some away luggage, and that's what I did. I'm gonna unbox 2 suitcases that I ordered, both in the limited edition Moonstone color, which is like a silvery blue, but I'm gonna show you what I got. All right, so now let's talk about pricing. Gotta open my book and find the pricing. Okay, so the bigger carry-on in Moonstone with the ejectable battery, because your girl needs a charge, like right now. I'm filming with my iPhone. This was $2.95. Then the large checked bag is $3.45. I paid a total of $636.64, and I ordered this November 12th. Today, I received it, and I'm recording the video today. So, without further ado, let's start with the big carry-on. Here we go. Okay. You didn't see all the dust that just flew when I did that. Look at this nice packaging. I love this. This is like a dust bag. Like, am I buying a Louis Vuitton, like Hermes? I'm so excited. Okay. It has this really cute. Here we go. Oh, it's so cute. Let's open the bigger carry-on. All right, so first we have this zipper side. And it even has a zipper here. That's backwards. I don't know. Anyway, so on this side you can really like sandwich your clothes, which is great. Has this cute little waist sticker. Love the buckles. Oh, what's this? And this is kind of mobile. And I get to get these universal chargers. Look at these. So guys, I wanted to come back and kind of give you a little bit more detail about what came inside of this very lovely bigger carry-on. Again, this is in the Moonstone color. As you can see, it's very easy to glide with all 4 wheels. And then that's a close-up of the TSA lock. You pretty much need to set your code in the beginning, but right now you would press this button here over towards the right, and then the latches would open. Right now the suitcase is not zipped, is not already locked, so you don't have to do that right now. So inside of the suitcase, when you choose the ejectable battery option, which is TSA approved, if you pull up the handle in this little piece here, you can just lift that up and look, it's an ejectable battery. Now, if your suitcase does not have an ejectable battery, it is not eligible for flights. Like, you have to take this whole battery case out. Great thing is you can just leave it in there and then just insert your charger USB cord right inside, and there you have it. And I just pushed it up. So you can just plug in your cord there. So even though I've already demonstrated, I'll show you again. If you press down, it kind of pops up, and then you can eject. And this is what it looks like. It's a little greasy from my fingers, but it has these ports here. This is what you use to charge it, which comes with the packaging, and I'll show you that. So back to this really cute little nifty case that came with my carry-on case. It comes with this really cute little menu that says you are here, and this like has some great information about the powering little box that I just showed you, how to set up your lock, battery compliance, and how to remove it before your flights. It talks about how the materials of this bag is extremely strong and durable, and it doesn't snap under weight. And then it talks about the different USB options, which I'm going to show you now. So this is the it's upside down, the away plug-in for the normal US adapter, and then it comes with 1, 2, 3. It comes with the 3 of these other adapters for other countries. I know this is used in Europe. I believe this is what I'll be using the most in Singapore and Hong Kong. And then this is probably for Australia or some other place that I haven't been yet. But you basically just connect it to this, and you close this down, and then you can just take this piece and connect it here. Very easy to use. Here's where you would insert your USB to charge whatever you're using. What sucks about this is I wouldn't be able to use this for a hair dryer. Like, that really wouldn't work because my hair dryer is not by USB. So I probably should get a real one, and that sucks because my trip is coming up like next week in a few days. So the only thing I haven't showed you yet is this Scotch pad. My suitcase is a light silvery blue, so therefore it might have some scuff marks on there, but this is to help. And I got one also for the larger check bag over there. And this kind of talks about it. Scuffs happen, to clean your suitcase, dampen the eraser, squeeze out that. There's the instructions. They really thought of everything in here. The last thing I do want to say is that the away luggage is, it has a 100-day trial. For any reason you don't like your luggage, you can return it for 100% of your money back. No questions asked. If you don't like it, you don't think it's great, then you can easily ask for a return within those 100 days. Now, I also want to say that this luggage is under warranty. This has a lifetime warranty. So, with that being said, it's gonna last me a lifetime. I can pass this on to my kids. And so that's pretty much it. The checked bags do not come with rejectable batteries because that wouldn't really be necessary. This is very large. I probably won't be taking it on my trip this round, but next time, maybe when I go to Paris for my birthday, I will. But this also came with another away kind of menu that says you are here, and it came with a Scotch pad, and it came with a tag, which is really cute. I think this is leather. I'm pretty sure it's leather, but you would just put this on your bag up top here, and it's so cute. And I'm just gonna list like my phone number and maybe my name or something. But yeah, that's it. So I've showed you what's inside of this little one. Now it's time for the big guy. All right, now that I finally got the TSA lock open, I'm just gonna unzip and open. All right, has these same kind of sandwich buckles for the really heavy packers like myself. It has another scuff sponge, another manual, and another tag. And it has everything else that's in here. You know, their luggage features a little bag where you can store your dirty clothes or wet clothes. And yeah. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Shammy Chic. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my precious blue away luggage in the color Moonstone. I'm gonna be packing it very soon because on Thanksgiving Day, I'm flying to San Francisco, spending a few nights there, then I'm going to Hong Kong, Thailand, and Singapore. If you want to watch my video of me trying to jam all my clothes into these luggages, into this luggage set, please subscribe to my channel, follow my blog, Falling Forward in Faith. I really hope you love this video, love my content. Any ideas, let me know below. I love you guys so much. And if you're wondering about the shirt, it's the same color as the suitcase, but it's from Zara. Anyway, stay blessed. Love you guys. Bye.